Excellency, Mr. Marwan Khairuddin, UK Lebanon Tech Hub Board member and USEC BOT member. Professor Walid Ammar, Director General of Health. Reverend Father Dr. George Azzi, Vice President for Financial Affairs for our university. Reverend Father and dear members of USEC Council. Professeur Pierre Lantéry, j'ai aujourd'hui toute la joie qui a été la mienne de faire votre connaissance avec M. Arachid tout à l'heure. Comme vous le savez parfaitement, notre université est également francophone et pilier de la francophonie au Proche-Orient. Mais nous sommes dans une francophonie interactive et ouverte. Je me réjouis de cette coopération avec votre université. Il y a beaucoup de liens entre nous et surtout entre le Liban et Lyon au XIXe siècle. Nous avons fait passer en revue donc cette histoire glorieuse, donc cette histoire qui s'ancre dans une commune destinée. Merci beaucoup d'avance pour cette coopération fructueuse et promettante. Faculty members and USEC family, distinguished guests, dear students. It's my immense pleasure to be hosting you here today at the Holy Spirit University of Kaslik to officially launch this promising and first of its kind PrimiSpot project that's implemented, as previously mentioned, in collaboration with Université Claude Bernard Lyon 1 and with the support of UK Lebanon Tech Hub. I am extremely happy to have you all here. It's not by chance that the launching of this pioneering initiative, which would contribute to the early detection of breast cancer through saliva, is timed today to coincide within the time frame of the National Breast Cancer Awareness Campaign in Lebanon. As a matter of fact, this project is meant to delve into a major concern in our society today. It aims to find answers, to highlight needed actions, and above all, to ease worried minds and tell them, yes, it can be prevented. And as it's said, it's always better to prevent than cure. This PrimiSpot project is important for more than a reason. First, it sheds light on a major health problem, provides insights on how to disentangle the enigmatic webs of disease that sometimes would develop uncontrollably, and promises to underpin some preventive measures that would lessen the amount of pain in humanity. Obviously, PrimiSpot does not promise to come up with the solution. However, it would set the ground for early detection of breast cancer. And who knows, might also pave the way for even more thorough research in order to reach a significant change in approaching breast cancer or other diseases. Second, PrimiSpot adopts an interdisciplinary approach, gathering researchers from various fields of science at USEC and Université Claude Bernard Lyon 1, researchers who, through this work, consolidated even more the long-term and fruitful cooperation between our two universities. Another important added value of this project is the involvement of our students in its implementation. Our students are considered not only knowledge receivers, but rather major partners and actors in our learning community. Before I conclude, I would like to thank UK Lebanon Tech Hub, represented today by His Excellency, my dear friend, Mr. Marwan Khairuddin, who is an active member of our Board of Trustees. I would like to thank you for believing in this project and supporting it. Through your support to such research, you are helping academia to create a more aware society and to make momentous headway in building a healthier future. A word of things goes also to our partners from Université Claude Bernard, Lyon 1. Thank you for embarking with us. C'est une aventure ensemble. Thank you for your embarking with us on this research experience that would lead us to new spaces of optimism, hope, and hopefully better health. Vous avez fait référence à Cicéron, donc un esprit sain dans un cœur sain. Vous savez, donc, c'est une déformation populaire. Donc. En principe, Cicéron a dit, un homme raisonnable demande à Dieu deux choses, de lui donner un esprit sain dans un corps sain. Mais la santé du corps n'est pas une condition préalable pour un esprit sain. C'est la déformation populaire. Parfois, c'est la souffrance qui est une source d'inspiration pour l'intellect et pour la créativité intellectuelle. Nous sommes des apprentis et la souffrance est notre maître. Finally, I would like to commend the efforts of our Faculty of Science led by its Dean, Dr. Walid Hlayhel. I must say, our Faculty of Science continues to highlight USEC tradition of excellence through its various activities, such as this Primasport project. Distinguished audience, this research might be a simple drop of water in an ocean of knowledge, information, and technology. But once accomplished, I am positive it would create an enormous wave. Thanks a lot for your listening.